Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Kindness and Compassion by Stampin' Up. This is a sentiment-only stamp set, but the font is beautiful. It's very elegant. It's perfect for sympathy or even just an elegant thank you. The sentiment I'm using today is with heartfelt gratitude. So I have my small paper grid pad here, and I'm just adhering the Whisper White card front with a little bit of washi tape. And then what I'm doing is just drawing lines. I know it sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? I'm drawing lines. So I'm using a whole bunch of different colors of Stampin' Blends, and some of them don't necessarily go well together, but I wrote down a list here. So there's light pool, light mint, light seaside, light calypso, light pumpkin, the So Saffron combo, because I love the So Saffron, light flirty flamingo, the petal pink combo, light Highland heather, light pineapple punch, and I think that's pretty much all of the colors. So what I'm doing is just drawing a straight line. And actually, you know what? It's kind of hard to draw a straight line because my hand naturally wants to curve. So it's okay to, like, this is just a technique. I'm creating my own background. And I'm alternating. I'm sort of maybe putting a little bit more like there. I put a little bit more flirty flamingo at the front, and oh, here's a pool and pineapple, and that was petal pink. So I'm just drawing lines, and I've actually sped this up to make it like 4 times as fast as what it really took me. But I did. I had a lot of fun with it, actually. So I removed my washi tape, and then I just did the last little bit of color. And what I ended up doing, and you'll see this in a little bit. Oh, and I'm doing both ends. That's what I'm doing. I flipped it around and just added a few more colors. And some of the colors really stood out. And I find with my light alcohol markers, or these blends, sometimes they fade out some of the colors, and sometimes they blend really nicely together with other colors, but I wanted a really muted look. So here I am with my color lifter, and I'm coloring directly over top of all of those lines, and you can see how light it actually got. So it doesn't matter if the colors that you chose initially are bold, they do settle down once they're absorbed into the paper. So anyway, I actually put this on some Sahara sand, and here I inked up my sentiment with that's actually Stays On ink, and I wiggled. Are you kidding me? But it was a happy accident because I took this little piece of Whisper White, I inked up the stamp with Stays On again, and it was beautiful. It was perfect, exactly what I wanted. And then when I actually adhered this little white strip across all of the colors, it made the design. So it made the card. So this was a happy accident, because I'm pretty sure if I did it just with the sentiment on the color, I probably wouldn't have liked it as much, and it might have went into the bin. So I'm actually really happy that this happened. And I've been seeing this trend lately about putting the card front in a different position and not in the center. So that's what I've done for this card too. why don't you try it? See how you like it. Some of us can't handle it and need a perfect frame around. And some of us, I don't mind that. It's kind of a graphic-y card, so why doesn't it have to be? It can be different, right? Anyway, I put some Noble Peacock embellishments, the rhinestones on. And that's my share for today. Thanks for joining me, and bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.